Hi, welcome to Dell, Migration Manager for AD, migrating a user with QMMAD. Assuming you have the Migration Manager already installed, we'll go right to the directory migration and create the domain pair. Right-click. Here you can see this will help specify the target domains and the source domain to be synchronized and configure common settings for the jobs to be run. Simply fill out the wizard, the source domain in your source environment. Mine is source1.local in this case. I'll add the username and the password. I then move to select my target domain. Put the name of my target domain in. And the account, similar to the source. Note these accounts can be different. That's it. Simply select Finish, and the information is listed here so you can be sure what you've written. And here you see my source1 to QMM87TD domain pair is now configured. So we'll create a migration session for migrating users. Simply expand the domain pair, highlight migration, right-click and select New Session. This proposes a wizard that you'll simply fill out. For example, my first migration session. Select Next, and from the source domain, I'm going to select the objects that I want to migrate to the target domain. For example, I'll highlight the user's OU, scroll down in this particular test or example, I'm going to select simply my test1 user. It appears in the box. Select Next. And here I'm going to configure the target organizational unit on the target domain of where I would like this user object to go. Simply highlight it, select OK. Read these options. The OU hierarchy migration can be migrated to the target, or you can just bring a migrated list without any OUs as a flat list. Secondly, when merging with existing counts on the target, you can merge and move the objects to the new OU. That's what I've chosen here. Next is a set of security options. Security descriptor can be migrated to the target, as well as migrating SID history or adding SID history on the target account that's created. User principal name and password handling as well. The next is to specify the object processing options that will affect all the migrated objects. We can either enable the target counts or leave them disabled, or a combination of enable target accounts and disabled source accounts. For Interforce, you can see that you can reconnect an Exchange mailbox. You're nearly done. Collect and select Next and start to migrate the objects. The migration is finalizing. And there you have it. Selected objects 1, migrated objects 1. You can view the log to see what happened for potential errors and any troubleshooting you might need to take. Here you can see an HTML report is given, but there were no errors, so nothing's listed. Here I can see in my target domain, my test1 user has been migrated. Thanks for watching.